Good morning! Today is Sunday, January 26, and it's already 8 in the morning. Mag-a-attend ako ngayon ng church. I'm together with Janet. Here, say hi! And she's going also to her part-time with Doctora. And we are here in the truck waiting for we are waiting to take off her airplane. Take off. Hintay namin umalis yung truck. Wala pa ang tao, walang kasakay-sakay, kami lang. Ayan. Medyo matagal pa siyang umalis. So, yun lang. Good morning again.